All right, here we have a 2002 stall folder VFZ 52 knife fold unit. This is a height adjustable unit here. Its own mobile stand there. It can be ran inline on a folder. It also has, in this case, we're drawing power off the folder, but does have dummy plugs. The knife unit itself, let me squeeze by. Sorry, has either direction. It can function either direction, and then of course the knife unit itself can flip over depending on if you want to fold up or fold down. Here we just kind of have it operating, and I'll press the button and you can see this is for setup, and then obviously there's an auto mode for when you have your product all set up on either the folder or booklet making system you're using with this product, with this machine. Once again, 2002 Heidelberg VFZ 52 knife fold unit.